Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Move! Today we're here with Kraff. Yeah, man, Kraff with Who Make You Rum official music video. I think the one produced by TJ. So TJ, big up yourself. Yo, I mash up. That's why I'm not getting no regular reactions, yo. Flow mash me up, yo. Flow mash me up. Plus, me lost my auntie and my family, so you don't know. So I just go on all the rims, you know. So I could jump in on anyway and hear a Kraff I did it, man. Kraff, big up yourself. Let's go, G. Let's go. Alright, the work must go on. Let's go, man.
Yo, the chase over there.
Yo, who said that? Who asked for that? Shut your up, father. What you?
There's a Prince Pine skit. Big up Prince Pine. There's a Prince Pine skit.
Who asked for that? Shut your up, father. What you?
Rah.
After that, you go over one of them part there.
Chain Creative. TJ, big up.
And then you go try 50.
How make you rum?
Straight 5.
How make you rum?
Bumbo
How
Club.
make you rum?
Straight 5.
How make you rum? How make you rum? How make you rum? How make you rum?
Like that rhythm,
How
dog.
make you rum?
Straight right, ready?
Drop that 9, start that whip, teleport one time. Search me a search for a real mad vibes. In I party me on time, fine man.
Yo, Kraff I lead the new school, brother. Kraff I lead the fucking new school, dog. We don't care who I said nothing. Me don't care who Bex. Me don't care who I said nothing. Kraff, one of the most talented in that new school. Ready, Kraff?
How make you rum?
Oh,
How make you rum?
oh.
How make you rum? 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 Shot that rum, drop that 9, start that whip, teleport one time. Search me a search for a real mad vibes. In I party me on time, fine one virgin glow, real demon slime. Get naughty, mama bunks and wine. Pop this pill now, jump and climb. Mama fuck up, and ask me how make you rum? How make you rum?
Yo, the chase over there.
Yo, who said that?
Who said that?
Who asked for that?
Lotla.
Father.
Rah.
Shut that rap. And after that, you go over one of them part there.
Man, I cook up a portion.
And then you go borrow your car. And then you go try 50.
How make you rum?
Yeah, you over here.
How make you rum? How make you rum? How make you rum? How make you rum? How make you rum?
I will make you run, man.
How make
Like this was fit for Kraff to be on the rhythm. Cause Kraff been a sing about Shotty Rum Raw, fuck up one part and them things. So this is straight vibes rhythm. Come on. Kraff is meant to be on this rhythm, bro.
How make you rum? How make you rum? How make you rum? How make you rum? Shot that rum, drop that 9, start that whip, teleport one time. Search me a search for a real mad vibes. In I party me on time, fine one virgin glow, real demon slime. Get naughty, mama bunks and wine. Pop this pill now, jump and climb. Mama fuck up, and ask me how make you rum? 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 Place get dark anytime your liquor start soaking. Dead at night we no sleep, we no talk about dream. Real life pan the wharf, something broad for we. Bad bitch pan the bird, so she want rope in. Pan it told me I skate, this I want more speed. One button turn the beam and I rass all beast. Squad this time I go on more cheese. 2 lane ton 3 at the rass some date.
Man said 2 lane ton 3 at the Ras Rum Dweez. Squad the same I go on more cheese. Squad where forget it from. Anyway, my rich Tita Squad Wallace. Who make you rum?
Squad this time I go on more cheese. 2 lane ton 3 at the rass some date.
Who make you rum?
How make you rum? How make you rum? How make you rum?
How make you rum?
How make you rum? How make you rum? How make you rum?
I mean, say, shut that up, that night, start that big teleport.
one time. Search me, I search for your real mad vibes. In I party, me on top, find one virgin glow, real demon slime. Get naughty, mama bounce and wine. Pop this pill, now jump and climb. Mama fuck up and ask me how
make it up. But she ain't creative, big up herself, yeah. She ain't creative, big up herself. TJ Records, big up herself, yes. Straight vibes rhythm. Bad rhythm. Like the rhythm. Kraff song, bad. Like Kraff song. And the video. Grab, big up yourself. TJ, big up yourself, man. I hear production list. You see me? Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one, though. It's not a very long one, because, like I said, I'm not feeling very well. So, yeah, we're just going to something same. You see me? Big up on yourself and let me know what you guys think, all right? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. Even Solomon Vice of the Real Artist Progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real Artist represent.